Welcome back. We are on the topic percentages. In the previous video, we solved two practical problems involving profit and loss. In this video, we are going to solve another practical problem involving profit and loss. The problem is, a meat seller bought 250 kilograms of meat for 4,600 Ghana cedis. At what price per kilogram should he sell it in order to make a profit of 25%? So the meat seller paid 4,600 Ghana cedis for 250 kilograms of meat. The question is asking us to find the selling price per kilogram if the profit percent is 25%. So in order to find the selling price per kilogram, we will first need to find the selling price for all the 250 kilograms of meat. Remember, the question is telling us that the cost price for the 250 kilograms of meat is 4,600 Ghana cedis. So you will have to find the selling price for all the 250 kilograms of meat. After that, we will divide it by 250 kilograms to get the selling price per kilogram. So from here, we know that the cost price for the 250 kilograms is 4,600 Ghana cedis. And we also know that the profit percent is 25%. We want to find the selling price. So we are going to represent the selling price with a variable. So we will let P equal to the selling price. Remember, this selling price is the selling price for all the 250 kilograms. We know that profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So here, the profit is equal to the selling price, which is P, minus the cost price, which is 4,600 Ghana cedis. From the previous video, we learned that profit percent is equal to profit divided by cost price times 100. We have our profit percent as 25%. Then we have the profit as P minus 4,600 Ghana cedis, and we have the cost price as 4,600 Ghana cedis. So we will substitute this information into the formula. So the profit percent is 25. Here we have 25 here because of 100 here. This 100 here shows that 25 is a percentage. So 25 is equal to profit, which is P minus 4,600 Ghana cedis, divided by the cost price, which is 4,600 Ghana cedis, times 100. So here we find P. Now we know that 100 is the same as 100 divided by 1. So you are going to have 100 times P minus 4,600 Ghana cedis. So 100 into brackets P minus 4,600 Ghana cedis. Then 4,600 Ghana cedis times 1 will give us 4,600 Ghana cedis. Now this is what I mean. 100 here is the same as 100 divided by 1. So we have two fractions here. So the numerator here will multiply the numerator. So you have 100 times P minus 4,600 Ghana cedis. Because P minus 4,600 cedis is a binomial, that is, it has two terms, you are going to put it in the brackets, then you write 100 outside the brackets. So 100 into brackets P minus 4,600 Ghana cedis. The denominator will multiply the denominator. So we have 4,600 Ghana cedis times 1, and that will give us 4,600 Ghana cedis. Now, in order to find P, we will multiply the left-hand side by 4,600 cedis. Then you multiply the right-hand side by 4,600 cedis. When you do that, we can see that this and this will cancel each other out. So we will have 4,600 Ghana cedis times 25 will give us 115,000 Ghana cedis. Here this and this are gone. So we have 100 into bracket P minus 4,600 cedis. We open the bracket. We will have 115,000 Ghana cedis is equal to 100 times P will give us 100P minus 100 times 4,600 Ghana cedis will give us 460,000 Ghana cedis. We group like terms, so we bring this term over to the side. You have 115,000 Ghana cedis plus 460,000 Ghana cedis is equal to 100p. When you add these two, you are going to have 575,000 Ghana cedis is equal to 100p. So 100p is equal to 575,000 Ghana cedis. To find p, you divide the left hand side by 100 and you divide the right hand side by 100. And when you do that, p will give us 575,000 Ghana cedis divided by 100. And this will give us 5,750 Ghana cedis. Remember that P is the selling price of the meat. That is the selling price for the whole 250 kilograms of meat. So in order to make a profit of 25%, the meat seller must sell the whole 250 kilograms of meat for 5,750 Ghana cedis. We have found out that the meat seller must sell the whole 250 kilograms of meat for 5,750 Ghana cedis. But the question wants us to find the selling price for 1 kilogram. This 5,750 Ghana cedis is the selling price for the whole 250 kilograms. We want to find the selling price for 1 kilogram. So if 250 kilograms is selling at 5,750 Ghana cedis, then the selling price per kilogram, or the selling price for 1 kilogram, is going to be 5,750 Ghana cedis divided by 250. And this will give us 23 Ghana cedis. This means that the whole 250 kilograms was sold at 5,750 Ghana cedis. So the selling price for 1 kilogram is 23 Ghana cedis. So a kilogram of meat must be sold for 23 Ghana cedis in order to make a profit of 25%. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to solve another practical problem involving profit and loss. Bye-bye.